Hi everyone, welcome on back to my channel. So I'm gonna start off by putting my hair into a ponytail. So once I've secured my ponytail, I start to create the knots, and I just start off by gathering a group of locks and I start by twisting them. And once they start to kind of naturally fold is when I gather them together to create the knot, and then I just add a rubber band to secure it. And then I just continue that same process for the rest of my locks. Now sometimes I did twist a group of locks and sometimes I did two-strand twist it. It just depends on the group of locks, and if I had shorter locks I opted to two-strand twist them. It was a little bit easier to do it that way also. So for the locks that are sticking out, I did use some hairpins to secure them, and also I did use the hairpins to lock the bun into place. So since I didn't have time to do a roller set, I decided to bring out my hot rollers and see if they would curl my locks. And I haven't used these hot rollers since way before I even decided to have locks. So I'm gonna see if this will actually work to quickly curl the bang section of my hair. So I did leave these on until I completed my makeup, so about maybe 30 minutes. Here is the takedown. Of course, I know these curls are not gonna last, but it did what it needed to do for the time that I had, so I was happy with the results. And here is the final look. I did go ahead and add this rhinestone headband. So I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I thank you so much for watching. Have a happy holiday and a happy new year. Bye guys.